I'm just going to kind of run over all the things we're going to talk about over the next 90 minutes. And pretty much we're going to work on all full swing for this session. What we're going to work on is understanding the relationship between the club face and the club path, and how that influences where the ball goes. Because there's so many different ball flights and things that the ball can do, all we really want is the ball to end up toward the target. So we're going to work on understanding different paths and different faces and how that's going to influence where the ball goes.
Awesome.
It's going to be really fun. Okay? So we're going to get started. Okay, so for this lesson, we're going to work a lot on our basic foundation of putting skills. Okay, we're going to do a lot of the basics just so that we can have that foundation so that we can work on those important things of just getting the ball in the hole. It's really all we're trying to do. So, I want this in pop quiz. Our first lesson, I asked you a question for full swing about what influences the direction of the ball the most. You guys remember what it is? Jill, you can't talk. You can't say anything. What's the one thing that influences the direction of the ball the most?
The face of the club.
The face of the club. Do you think it's the same for putting?
Yes.
Probably even more so. Because one tiny little bit of a turn is the difference between the ball going in and missing 3 feet left, depending on how far away the putt is. So today we're going to work on the basics of how to set up and how having a good stance and a good posture and a good setup is going to contribute to a better stroke. And then we're going to address the stroke itself, meaning what's the best way to get a consistent control of the distance and to get it where we want to go in terms of the face. We're going to talk about pitching and bunker play.
Okay.
Mostly for pitching, we're going to talk about what the difference is between pitching and chipping and when we want to use them, because there's an unlimited amount of shots we can hit around the putting hole. Sometimes you want them high, sometimes you want them low, sometimes you want to land them all the way to the hole, sometimes you want them to roll out a lot. So today we're going to learn what the main differences are. But we'll ask you guys first. What would you guys say the main differences between a pitch and a chip?
Pitch is a full swing, or longer.
Longer. Pitch is going to be a longer swing.
I would say a pitch goes up and lands soft, and a chip is low and rises.
Exactly. I couldn't have said it better myself. Chipping generally is going to be a lower flight and it's going to roll more than it goes in the air. Pitching, on the other hand, is for those times when we're like here about 30-ish yards away, 30, 40 yards, we want to get some loft on it and we don't want it to roll out a whole lot.